Today I will show you how to copy data from one data warehouse from one workspace to another workspace in Microsoft Fabric. Let's have a look at my example. I have two workspaces, demo development and demo production. In my demo development, I have created a data warehouse. It contains a single table called bikes. And now that my development is over, I would like to move this data warehouse to production workspace. And my existing production workspace is empty. It doesn't have data warehouse or any other types of objects. Now, if we move to demo workspace and go to more options, we need to navigate to data factory. Now we're gonna select data pipeline, and with the use of data pipeline, we will create a flow that will enable us to copy data. What we're gonna be using is called a copy data assistant. It's got quite intuitive navigation. So you can see that you can navigate to one Lake Data Hub, and there you'll find access to all the data warehouses and data lakes that you have access to. So we're going to select the data warehouse that hold bikes tables. You can actually select multiple tables and migrate all of them at the same time as well. But in that case, I'll just use one table. Now we're selecting destination, and I'm gonna select new fabric item warehouse, and there you can see I'm selecting production workspace. But you can also load it to the existing warehouse and select load to existing table, as you can see here. At the bottom, you can validate the column mapping. You can change the data type if it's required. Um, in a drop down, there is all the options for the data types. And now we're going to click next. In this step, we need to select enable staging. By default, it's already selected, but just to let you know that it's not going to work for copying data from one workspace to another workspace without staging. So it needs to be enabled for this operation. So make sure it's ticked on, and then click next. Here is just a summary of what we are about to do. We are copying data via staging. And here's the pipeline getting saved. Once it's saved, it will start running. Here it's running. You will see the status on the bottom of the screen. And in my case, it has taken me only 60 seconds to copy a small table. Now let's validate what we have in production workspace. Here's our production workspace warehouse.